sparkly boots. And it's ready. Alright, I believe I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I think so. I'll count you off. I want to make sure I can see you in the mirror. So turn around for me so I can... Alright, that works. Is that where you're going to be right there?
Probably.
Okay, I can see both.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead.
So if I do, okay. Hey y'all, it's Baylee Nicole. My hair is a mess today, so I'm going to show you how to do my high bun. So first, I shake it out because my hair is pretty greasy today. Okay, I'm going to grab it. I forgot a hairbrush because I'm so prepared. And so I'm going to be using my nails. Ooh. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, now I'm going to get my hair tied and wrap around it twice. Like that. So then you have like a little... What is this bro doing? Yo. Okay. Okay, we're gonna pull this out. So then we have a little bit. I'll pull my pieces out too. So we just have a little bit of a bun. Okay, then we take the rest of our hair and I twist both sides. Whoa. And then I tighten, push it into my ponytail holder. And then I fluff it out a little bit more. And that's how I do my messy buns.
Nice.
Crazy, now that I have like long hair, I had to find a whole different way to do it so it looks like a little goofy. But it like when it gets like loose, it falls out.
Yeah.
And cute.
Alright, so we're doing